What's up everyone, it is Tyiece here. So in today's video I will be showing you how I achieve my double high bun on my blow dried natural hair. So this is the very next morning after blow drying my natural hair, and I use my Humble Glow satin bonnet to just lock in moisture so that my hair doesn't dry out or become frizzy overnight, and it does a really great job at it. So after removing my bonnet, this is the bantu knots that I put in to keep my hair in that stretch state overnight. So that is key. If your hair is blow dry, make sure that you reinforce that sleekness by doing some sort of stretch style. It can be braids, bantu knots, twists, whatever you chose. So now moving into styling my hair. So since I will be doing a double high bun, I am starting by making a very high horizontal part right behind my earlobe. Keep in mind that when you are parting your hair, using the end of a rat tail comb makes it a lot easier to control your part, and it allows it to come out as straight as possible, even though you don't have to worry about it coming out super straight for this style. So after parting my hair, I will be sleeking down my edges with my 24-hour even edge control. So I just take a little bit on my fingertips and I apply that edge control directly to the very edges all around. And then I brush that edge control into my hair. Now I'm using a stretchy fabric ponytail holder to secure the top part of my hair. So you can make this as tight as you want depending on your comfort level. So the ones I'm using doesn't get as tight as the other ones that I usually use, so that's a good thing about this one. So after doing the top section of my hair, it's time to move on to the second half of my bun. So when you are securing the second half of the bun, make sure that you are getting it as close to the first bun as possible. So at the very, very top of that section, so that the buns can connect seamlessly. So to create more volume and make my bun appear a bit bigger, I will be twisting just the very, very tip. As you can see, I didn't start from the roots, but I start from the ends. And after twisting the ends, I just fold it over itself in the back, and then I secure it with a bobby pin. And then I am doing the same thing with the back section. Leave the roots alone so that it can be nice and poofy at the roots, and just focus on twisting the very end. So it will be like the last 2 inches of hair you will be twisting. And then you fold that twisted section down, going towards the top bun. And then use a bobby pin to secure it as well. So now I will be setting my edges. So I just use a satin scarf around my edges just to allow them to lay for a couple minutes or a couple hours, depending on what you're doing now or what you're going to do after this hairstyle. But the longer you let it lay, the better. It just tames those edges so that they do not fly away and stick up throughout the day. And this is the end result of my elegant high double buns. As you can see, it just looks really, really cute and elegant and mature as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely give this hairstyle a try for your blow dried natural hair. It's a great protective style for keeping those ends moisturized, and just a great way to wear your hair in a new way. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe, give this video a rating.